Hello guys, welcome to this video in which I'm going to show you how to record the treadmill on Strava. To record the treadmill run on Strava, you have a couple of options depending on what device or setup you're using. So let's start. To record the treadmill run on Strava, you have many options. First of all, you can add manually a treadmill run, no DPS. You open the Strava application on your phone. You tap on the plus icon top at the right corner. You choose a manual activity and you enter a activity type, select run, data, time, duration, distance from the treadmill screen. You can also add note, choose, use, and effort, but it's optional. And you tap save. This is the best method if you didn't use another application or watch to track your indoor run. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, like it, subscribe, and see you.